Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the natural gas burner tube assembly in this A.O. Smith gas water heater, you will need a 7/16" wrench, a 3/8" wrench, an adjustable wrench, and a 1/4" nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the gas supply to the unit. Detach the outer burner tube assembly cover. Disconnect the safety thermostat wires, as well as the spark wire. Use the 7/16" wrench to unthread the compression nut to detach the pilot gas tube from the gas valve. Use the 3/8" wrench to unthread the nut to release the thermocouple from the valve. Now use the adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the main burner tube from the valve. Use the 1/4" nut driver to unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the burner tube assembly. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the old burner tube assembly out. To install the new burner tube assembly, position it in the tank opening so the tab on the front of the assembly is inserted into the bracket in the tank cavity. Thread the 2 mounting screws to secure the assembly. Insert the provided compression nut fitting into the gas valve and thread loosely. Insert the pilot gas tube into the fitting until it stops. Then tighten the nut. Insert the main burner tube into the valve and thread the nut to secure. Next, insert the thermocouple and tighten the nut. Attach the spark wire to the spark igniter wire on the valve. Connect the safety thermostat wires to the terminals. Reinstall the burner tube assembly cover. Turn the gas supply back on. With the burner on, you can check the main burner tube and the pilot tube for leaks using a soap and water solution.